Hey there, crazy couponers. It's me, Eric, and welcome back to my channel. And I must first apologize that my voice sounds a little bit hoarse. I've been trying to get through this sickness, but unfortunately, it's still just been around. I still got to give you guys the breakdowns for Dollar General anyway, and I don't want to leave you guys hanging. Last week was just really crazy because of, Thanksgiving and Black Friday shopping, which I should probably post hopefully soon for Black Friday. But without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into these Dollar General deals. Now, we have the $5 off 25 digital coupon that's going to be only available to us on the 1st of December. So make sure you clip that. Actually, it's an option right now. You can actually clip it onto your account, and it'll be there for you until the 1st. And that way when you go into the stores on Saturday, that digital coupon will already be clipped for you. But you can also clip it on that day as well. Now, I have a total of 4 different scenarios for you. 2 of them involve using digitals and paper coupons, and then the other 2 are just digitals only. So you have some options for you depending on your guys' situation. So so let's just go ahead and jump right on it. The first thing that you want to pick up is one Gain 48 load detergent at $7.50. And then also you want to pick up a Gain fabric sheets, the 200 count at $7.50. Then also purchase 5 Lysols toilet bowl cleaners at $2 each, and buy one Crest at $3. So your subtotal is going to be $28. Then the $2 savings, instant savings from the Lysol for spending 10 will come off. And then also the $2 Gain detergent coupon from the 11/11 Retail Me Not, you want to use that as well. Also use a $2 Gain fabric sheets coupon from the 11/11 Retail Me Not. Then only if you have this tear pad coupon, you can do this deal. There are 75 cents off of 1 tear pad coupons, which are found in select stores. So you want to be able to use 5 of those. And this pertains to the toilet bowl cleaners. So if you find that coupon, this is an awesome coupon to use for the Lysol deal. Then you're going to want to use the $2 off 1 Crest coupon from the December P&G, or you can clip it as a digital coupon on the Dollar General app. And then your $5 off 25 digital coupon will come off. So the final out-of-pocket costs for all 8 items are $11.25 each for all 8, or it's $1.40 each item, which is a 60% savings. So it's a really good deal if you have all these coupons available to you, or you can mix and match towards your liking. The next scenario is just a sparkle scenario. Only do this deal if you're really in need of sparkle paper towels. It's not a bad deal because they still come out to be about 52 cents per roll, and the stock-up price for me is always 49 cents and under per roll, but only do this deal if you're in need of them. So you're going to want to pick up 4 sparkle, which are the 8 rolls at $6.95 each. Your total is going to be $27.80. You're going to use that $5 off 25 digital coupon that you're going to clip to your digital app. Then you're going to want to use 4 of the $1.50 off of 1 coupon from the 11 for Retail Me Not. And then your out-of-pocket cost is going to be $16.80 for 4 packs, or just roughly $4.20 each, or 52 cents per roll. Like I said, stock-up price is 49 cents for me or under per roll, but 52 cents is still not bad considering, you're getting 8 rolls, and then $4.20 is not bad, and which constitutes to a 40% savings. And like I said down here, it's only do this deal if you need to do this deal and you have ran out of paper towels. So so it's not a bad deal. Just thought I'd just throw that in there. Then I have the third scenario, which is just digitals only. So I'm going to go ahead and provide you with that breakdown. Oh, let me go ahead and just fix this for a moment. So you want to pick up 1 all detergent, which is 94.5 to 100 ounce at $7. Then you're going to want to pick up 1 Scott's paper towels, which is the 6 rolls at $4.95. Then you're going to want to buy 1 Cottonelle 12 rolls at $5.50. Buy one Downy 48 to 60 load at $4.50. Buy one Crest toothpaste at $3. And then you want to buy one Olay face wash gentle clean cleanser at $5. So your total before coupons are going to be $29.95. Then you're going to want to clip that $5 off 25 digital coupon. Then the $3 for spending 15 on like select products like All, Scott, Cottonelle, Purex, Snuggle, stuff like that. For reaching $15, you're going to subtract $3 instant savings. So it's going to drop your price down to $26.95. Then you're going to want to use that $1.50 digital coupon, all detergent digital. Then that 75 cents off of one Scott's paper towels digital coupon. Then you're going to want to clip the $1 off one Cottonelle toilet paper digital coupon, as well as the $1 off one Downy/Bounce digital coupon. Then we also have a $2 off one Crest toothpaste digital, and a $1 off one Olay face wash digital coupon. So your out-of-pocket costs for all 6 items are going to be $14.70 for 6 items, or just $2.45 each, which constitutes to a 51% savings. So that's a really great deal. Then just before I get to the fourth scenario, I just have some mentionings here, which is part of the 3-day sale, which is from 11/29 to 12/1. So they have a 3-day sale going on, and they have some pretty good deals that are going on for this 3-day sale. So the first one, which is like my favorite, which is 5 for $10, the Pepsi products, and they are the 6-pack bottles. Now you must buy 5 to get the discount. It's either on Pepsi or Mountain Dew products, and it's 5 for $10, which comes out to be $2 each, which I think is an amazing deal for sodas for the 6-packs, and they rarely come around to that price. So just thought I'd just mention that. And then they had 20% off all Legos. So if you're in the market for your kids or whatever for Lego products, this is a deal to do. Then they also have the $2 for 10 Purex, which is 128 to 150 ounce, which constitutes to 71 to 100 loads. Plus, we have an additional $1 off one digital from the Dollar General app. These sales may be combined with the $5 off 25 digital, so you can be able to purchase, mix and match however you want to, or mix and match with the sales that I've already mentioned thus far. And and that $5 off digital or off 25 digital will be able to be applied towards the 3-day sale as well. So I think these are amazing deals. And then I have one more scenario for you guys. Now, again, this is all digital. So let's go ahead with the breakdown. The first things you want to pick up are 2 Purex, the 128 to 150 ounce, which equals $10 for 2. Then you're going to want to pick up 1 Cottonelle toilet paper, the 12 count, for $5.50. Then pick up 1 Bounce dryer sheets at the 105 count at $2.95. Then purchase 2 of the Febreze Unstoppable wax melts at $8, so they're $4 a piece. And then buy 1 Renews It at $1. Then your total before coupons is going to be $28.45. The instant savings coupon for $3 off 15 for spending on select products like the Purex, Cottonelle, Snuggle, All, and I think there's more to it. But you'll be for spending 15, you'll save $3 instantly. Now, here's the reasoning why it's not 25, before coupons rather than 28. The reason being is because, see, instant savings will always come off first. So if it's at $25 and you use the and they take off the $3 instant savings, you're going to be below the $25 mark to use that $5 off 25 digital coupon. So you need to be above a certain threshold for the instant savings, or before the digital, but after instant savings. So we raise it by $3 more, so that way that $3 off 15 will come off, so you'll be at the $25 mark for that $5 off 25 digital coupon to be applied. And it's crazy how that works, but that's the digital or Dollar General rule on this, that that the $5 off 25 has to be after instant savings. So make sure you get yourself to about $28 or $29 depending on your situation, and so that the $3 comes off and the $5 off 25 digital comes off as well. Then we have the $1 off one Purex digital coupon that you can clip. Then we have the $1 off one Continental toilet digital coupon, the $1 off one Downy / Bounce digital coupon, and the $4 off 2 Febreze Unstoppables digital coupon. Then your total out of pocket is going to be $13.45 for 7 items, or just $1.92 each, which constitutes to a 53% savings, which is, I like this deal. This is like my personal favorite one. I really like this deal a lot. And like I said, you can mix and match between all scenarios for Dollar General. It just depends on your needs. And but yeah, like I said, mix and match. And don't forget about the 3-day sale, the $5 5 for $10 Pepsi products, which is, this one's our favorite, my favorite actually. So I'll be stocking up on those on Saturday. Actually, this sale actually starts tomorrow, which is Thursday through Saturday. So you can actually get a head start on this deal and stock up as much as you can. And yep, that's pretty much it, guys. So with that being said, this is Crazy Couponing with Eric signing off. Happy couponing. We'll see you in the next video. And some new things are coming to the channel. So hopefully I'll be more active on this channel and bring you guys more deals. Hopefully I can bring more CVS and start implementing other stores as well as time goes on. So happy couponing, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.